Welcome, students. Myself Gyanen Singh, class 10th, subject biology, topic Darwinism. It is a evolution. Darwinism. Last turn, I told you about Lamarckism. Now, Darwinism. Darwin was born in Shrewsbury in England 1809. In 1809, he was naturalist. After graduation, he found opportunity to travel around the world by ship. The name of ship HMS Beagle. Approximately 22 years old, he was made a captain of HMS Beagle ship. He wrote a book, Origin of Species by Natural Selection. In this book, he gave the main points for the making of new species. First is anomalous fertility. Anomalous fertility means every organism having anomalous fertility, such as a oyster or ship gave the eggs in a 1 year's 60 to 80 crores, millions, and such as the insects also give the eggs 191 millions in a 5 months. So every organism having anomalous fertility, but all of not can survive in the nature. Why? Because of second, struggle for existence. Struggle for existence, it means they are struggle for fooding, lodging and space. So this is our intra-specific struggle and inter-specific struggle and struggle with environments. Intra-specific struggle, this struggle are in a same species, between a same species. So requirement is also same. So the death of the organism in large scale because of the fooding, lodging, space are same. So they are make the found of the space, finding of the food, they can struggle each other. So the loss of organism more and more. Second, interspecific struggle. It is struggle between the different species. Because one species is eaten by the other species, and lodging also, space also. So these are struggle for other species. So more and more organisms are lost in their life. Next, struggle with the environments. Environments also adopted those type of organisms which are survived, such as the storms, flood, dryness, heat, cold. These are atmospheric changes. These changes are to the adaptation of the animals. These are lost their life for storm, for the flood, for the cold, for the hot. So some species are lost their lives. Some which are remaining them to pass out of these struggles. So the variation and heredity. Next point, variation and heredity. If all organisms are passed out the struggle for existence, some changes of these body also presents. These changes are called variations. According to Darwinism, these variations are inherent to the other species, other generation. So these are variations. Next, survival of the fittest, which are variations and heredity passed out the other generations. They are fit for the environments. They can survive. This idea given by the Herbert Spencer. Survival of the fittest idea given by the Herbert Spencer. These are survives. So those organisms are survives. They can adapt in the environments. This adaptation becomes very, very large in a large scale. So the variations are very, very large in the millions years. After millions years, these variations are collectively together to form origin of new species. So the new species are formed. So thus the idea of Charles Darwin. Okay, that's all.